Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to show you kitty litter I've been using for my cat for a couple weeks now. It's Arm & Hammer, the Clump and Seal slide litter. For this, I was using Tidy Cats. It came in like a plastic container, and it just, like, not at first, but like after my cat would use it, it would have like this horrible like alcohol smell. And even after I cleaned the litter, it would be like impossible to just get the smell out of the room. So right now, my cat's not even using the litter. I don't know. She just notices I have the top off, and she's got to be so curious with everything. Anyway, this actually, I clean her litter like anytime she uses it. So like once, twice a day whenever I'm around, pretty much. Oh, this is lovely. Now she decides she needs to use the litter right after I'm about to clean it, right? I cleaned it just now, and I'm about to add some more. So this is the Clump and Seal slide litter. It's easy cleanup, clumping litter. It doesn't have the smell. It's 100% dust free, which is awesome because I feel like some of the furniture in the room would collect the dust from the previous litter I was using, and that's just gross. I try to be as clean as I possibly can. It comes with like a guaranteed 7-day odor-free home, seals and destroys odors, and I have to say, it's summer, it's been humid, and I do not have like central air in my house, so that sometimes that can be worse, and I've had a really, really great experience so far with this litter. It has a new look and proven performance. You just start with a clean, empty litter pan, scoop as usual, and maintain 3 to 4 inches of slide litter in the box at all times. So mine is a little low, and my cat just had to use the litter right after I cleaned it before I got to add more, so it's not exactly how I wanted it to be, but anyway, the litter slides right out, it doesn't stick to the pan, and no scrubbing, which is great, because sometimes you have to scrub. I mean, I try to like once in a while like completely empty out the whole thing and hose it out. Anyway, I'm just like a kind of a little bit of like a freak. I don't like any like kind of dirty smell or anything, so I try to just clean it all the time. With Easy Clean Clumping Litter, you may never have to scrub or scrape the litter box again. Our patented formula with Easy Clean technology means use litter slides right out, stuck on messes slide out easily, and that means no scrubbing, no scraping, no odor, no problem. So completely seals odors, destroys odors, and rock hard clumps, and 100% dust free. Like all Arm & Hammer Clump and Seal products, this advanced clumping litter forms an odor-containing seal around urine and feces, then powerful odor eliminators, and Arm & Hammer baking soda destroys seals and odors on contact. For over 170 years, Arm & Hammer products have provided a safe and effective way to help keep things smelling fresh and clean. An odor-free home starts with Arm & Hammer. And if you're not completely satisfied, we'll refund your purchase price. So Arm & Hammer is pretty good that way. I actually am like familiar with them because I use like their baking soda products for your fridge, the ones you like hang or put in the fridge just to keep it smelling fresh and to keep your groceries in there fresher for longer. And especially with their laundry detergent, I use that often. So I never had a bad experience with Arm & Hammer. It's been super great so far. So I have the litter in here now. I wanted to show you guys on like an empty litter pan and show you guys pouring it, but of course, like I said, my cat decided she had to use the litter, so I'm sorry if this is gross, but for those of you who are used to having a cat, like, you're used to this, so you wouldn't be grossed out by it. But I just want to show you guys, like, it's wet still, but it clumps, which makes it like super easy to scoop. So I could just scoop it out like this and just add more, and it has this like great top that's good for, like carrying it if you have to lift it up or whatever, like depending on where you keep your stored. I find it easier to just order the litter online because it just gets really heavy to, like, for me. I mean, to like be carrying it around the grocery store and stuff whenever you have to pick it up, and if you have more than one cat, I'm sure you're buying a lot more litter than I am. So this will probably last me, like, for her, like a month, I would say, actually. It lasts about a month, and it's a good price, and Arm & Hammer is definitely a great quality brand that's, like, been trusted for years. So overall, just really happy with it. Like I said, it doesn't really have that odor that my other litters have unfortunately had in the past. And I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys what it would look like after I filled this up more, but you get the gist, because I'm going to have to go ahead and just toss this into a plastic bag, throw it out, finish scoop this out a little till it's nice and clean, and then add a little bit more litter, maintain 3 to 4 inches of slide litter, because that's how it works best. So yeah, so try out Clump and Seal slide litter, Arm & Hammer, new look, proven performance. I hope you guys love it. I hope it works out for you, and I hope you found this video useful. See you later.